Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, so I will request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you already subscribed, so my humble thank you so much for you. And today's video is all about English, which is faced for everyone to speak in their life. Whenever we go to speak English, we feel we are repeating sentences. My English is not too good. We think we are same word repeating. I do not have improvement. We fumble. We think whenever we are going to speak, the word goes away. It's not coming on tongue. It's stuck in brain. You get lost. And many times we use words like this kind of word we make by mouth. You know what? Tomorrow I will come to house. No, this kind of activities we do. Learning a new language, it's not at all easy. It's always a new challenges. How we learn our mother language? We actually don't know. We was not aware of learning our mother tongue, and it came to us, and we are learning so much easily. Learning a new language, it is not our mother language. It is always challenging. We learn languages and we study languages, and it's always takes time. Without time, it will not learn something easier. Facing this problem, it's not easy that. It's always tough. But you do not worry. I want to say you that you have to do one thing. Keep practice, keep practice, keep practice, and keep practice. That is the only mantra to learn any language. You know, we believe in destiny. Here is no destiny to learn languages. It only keeps practice and focus and determined. If your determination is strong, you can learn so fastly. Because most of the people think it, I can learn language in future. But think it, how destiny will work. Because it's demand real hard work, real effort. If you'll put, you can definitely learn. It is step by step process. When you will do, you can make it. You can learn slowly and gradually. It's a process. It's a long process. You can definitely learn. And that is the beauty of learning languages. Every day you are feeling, I am learning something. I am getting something. If you will pay daily time, you will feel. When you work, your excitement will be high. Your self-control would be so much vast, and you will feel too much good, and you can learn this language so fastly. You are feeling a farmer teaching English. So I will tell you, my dear, it doesn't happen in a day, in a month. There is so many hours, so many days, and months I have expended, and lot of effort I have put it. Then I am so much fluent. I am talking to you. So it does not happen overnight. I have expended so many days and so many effort I have put. I had spoke, and I have been speaking. Then I am able to make videos on YouTube. I am able to communicate to you, and I can just show my feelings, my problems through this language to you guys. Today might be you are also facing same problems in your life. To learn this language, the word goes away. It does not come when you're going to take action. You're going to talk to people. It does not feel so much comfortable to you, and you feel something hesitated. You know what to do? You need to do practice, a lot of practice. Invest some time with this language and put some hard work, effort, where you can get this language so much easily. When you will do practice, you will feel good, you will feel happy, you will feel nice. Today you are doing practice, you are getting something, and you will like good, you will feel good. You know, friends, you have to believe in yourselves. Somebody takes more time, but somebody takes less time. But you have to believe on yourself. If your environment is full of English, if people are talking English surrounded you, and you are listening, you are communicating with them, so it's easier for you. But if people do not have, if people are not talking surrounded, so don't worry, you will also learn this language, but it will take little bit extra time or extra effort. You can also speak like them. You can also create environment like them. It cannot happen. You will practice, you will gain nothing. Never. It cannot happen. You will practice, you will get. You will get little bit slowly, but you will definitely do. And you will speak little bit late to them, but I am damn sure you will speak. You need to keep patience a little bit on time. Keep patience and move further and further, and you will find you are speaking and you will feel happy. You will be no longer a beginner. You will feel happy, you will get respect, and people will appreciate you. They will try to become your friend. They will just ask you, how did you learn English? Actually, my dear friend, English is a medium. It's a tool to communicate to other, and it's language only. When I was a beginner as a farmer, I was thinking when I will learn this language, so I think do something amazing, incredible, and many things. Yeah, I do, but here I feel it's a medium to communicate, to interact other people, and most of people, vast of people of any country, they are trying to learn this language. Practice makes man perfect. If you'll do practice, you will grow. Don't worry to make mistakes. Everyone learns by their mistakes. If you worry from mistake, you will give up. If you will give up, you cannot learn this language. Also, I make mistake. Still I make mistakes. I do not worry. I know that beyond mistake there is success. So don't worry from mistake. Make mistake, but learn from your mistake. If you will not do, you will not are active, you will not take actions. So this time and this chance will never come in your life. Chance are waiting today or tomorrow or day tomorrow to come, to take action, to learn. Just take a chance and move ahead. 90% people just they worry from mistakes. They make one mistake and they don't want to make again mistake in their life. So don't do this. If you're doing these things, don't do this. Make mistakes. Try to do best. If mistake is occurring in your life, so just try to do again. 90% people are not doing these things. 10% only doing and 10% on success, and 90% people are just not too good. So if you are just following these things, so stop now. 10% people don't care other, they just talk. They don't care what they will think, they care what I have to do, how I will get success. So don't think like 90%, think like 10%. You will definitely learn. And if you find you are lost, only mantra is that practice, practice, practice and practice. You will get success to do your any work. Now, thank you so much and goodbye.